this. If we close that 15 in a 1, 2, 3 reversal, I'm going to get short, whether it stops me out or not. Like, I don't even care. I'm going to get that short. And 40 would have to be my target. And then fail hard from there would be my guess. Let's see. We got another minute and a half.
Order filled.
We're sitting at 31. I had to pull the trigger at the target, even though I'm early. I got my stop in place. Now we got a good 1, 2, 3 reversal. The low a day is the target here. And that's another reason I love this trade. The risk reward was so good. Even if this didn't work, the 31, even if they did turn this into something, they still can. We're holding the open print. If they still turn this into something bullish and I get stopped out, the risk reward was there because there's no targets. There's nothing in the way. I mean, I'm talking 38.09 from 31. This is a good $20 target. And if this breaks, I think this could be the one that pushes through 3,800. So the risk reward was so great. I couldn't pass that up. And now we're ripping faces off. Come on, baby, let's go. Give me that 38.09. The target was 38.09. We hit 38.12. My rules are once we break into that trigger range, if we try to pull back out again or whatever, I have to take it. We're in the trigger range and we just started kind of throttling. I'm not necessarily convinced that this black magic's going to hold, but my rules say that I have to sell it. So I sold it. I should have enough buying power to get back in. If we break this black magic, I could possibly get another short on here and do it. But I mean, I think I'm up. Well, I'll bring it over here in a second, show you. I think I made about 800 bucks on that trade. 776 so I made about 700 bucks roughly on that trade. It's going to hang on to what I got. I'm looking at 3,800 as my target. And
order filled.
So I'm going to get paid. I'm up pretty fat in my other one too. So, I didn't want to give up those profits. So I took the short off, got a good sell on that. I'm happy with the short.